The all-new 2025 Volkswagen ID.2 is here. It's Volkswagen's smallest electric offering, aimed at city dwellers. The ID.2 packs a lot into a compact frame. Think GDI-level performance, but all electric. Stay tuned to find out if this little EV is a giant leap forward. The ID.2 boasts an estimated range of 280 miles on a single charge. That's enough for most daily commutes and weekend trips. Plus, with fast charging capabilities, you can add 80% charge in under 30 minutes. VW claims 0 to 60 in about 7 seconds. Is this enough to excite? Let's see more. Despite its small footprint, the ID.2 offers surprising interior space. The rear seats fold down for added cargo capacity. Clever storage compartments help maximize space. Perfect for those small grocery runs. But is it really practical? We'll take a closer look next. The ID.2 comes loaded with advanced tech and safety features. Expect a large infotainment screen, smartphone integration, and driver assistance systems. These will all add value. But exactly how valuable? We dive into that shortly. Volkswagen is targeting a starting price of around $25,000 for the ID.2. That undercuts many competitors and makes it very budget-friendly. Tax credits may reduce that cost even more. We'll dive into some calculations to make this more realistic. How does the ID.2 stack up against other small EVs? We'll compare it to key rivals to see which offers the best overall package for potential first-time EV buyers. Ready for comparison of power? Is the Volkswagen ID.2 the perfect EV for a new wave of buyers looking for an upgrade, or are other EVs in the field providing an equal package at a cheaper price point? VW sure hopes this ID.2 lives up to its namesake by providing a powerful engine in a compact space with high reliability for its second-ever consumer-ready electric vehicle offering.